soft eye makeup look on my cousin, and this is beginner friendly tutorial. And the makeup is not perfect because I'm also still learning. So first I applied an orange color corrector on the eye using a flat brush. Blending is the most important step, and after that I used fluffy brush to apply a little compact powder and gently dabbed it in. Next I'm taking this concealer and blending it nicely to cover the orange corrector. The orange corrector helps to hide dark circles, so the concealer will even out the base. And once the base is done, I'm blocking it with compact powder so it doesn't crease later. I'm locking the concealer well, and after that I took a nude eyeshadow palette and picked up a peach shade. You should always start with a lighter shade, and as you can see I'm applying it lightly above the crease area. Then I'm taking a slightly darker shade and blending it from the inner corner to outer corner using a fluffy round brush. The blending should be smooth so that no harsh lines are visible on the upper part of the eyelid. Now I'm taking an even darker shade for the inner corner and blending it outwards. I'm leaving the middle section empty for now, and once everything is well blended, I'm moving on the cut crease. Using the same flat brush and concealer, I'm making a soft cut crease. If you're not comfortable with a brush, you can even use your fingers, and I applied it the way I felt comfortable and then set it again with compact powder. And now I am adding some pigment on the inner corner and blending it well. On the outer corner, I am applying another shade and blending everything smoothly. Next, I'm enhancing the eyebrows a little and defining their shape. I've only done the eye makeup here, not full face makeup, and so please focus on just the eyes. Now it's time for eyeliner. I'm applying a slightly thicker line because she prefers that look. And I didn't make a very long wing, just a small one to define the eyes. This is beginner friendly eye makeup, so please don't expect so much. And yeah, I completed the eyeliner using small strokes and filled in any gaps slowly. Not bad. Eyeliner is looking so beautiful. And now on the lower lash line, I added a bit of eyeshadow since she didn't want to apply kajal, and she's blinking her eyes so much, and it's very difficult to apply any eyeshadow or kajal on lower lash line. Eyelashes are a little heavy, and I attached them using eyelash glue. Now you can also see the other eye here. Now let me know how the makeup turned out, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Tell me in the comments how you like the beginner eye makeup look, and don't forget to hit the like and share button. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye bye.